Hello guys and welcome to Cards of All Sorts today. Today I got a Lightning Overdrive YuGiOh pack. I've started my deck using King's Court. I was going to get more King's Court packs, but they didn't have any, so I thought second best thing is Lightning Overdrive. So I'm going to get into this. YuGiOh packs are always harder to open for some reason. Never quite understand this part anyways. They're harder to get. Eventually I want to work up to a booster box. Not of Lightning Overdrive, but I want to get me a booster box of King's Court eventually, or win one. So if anyone knows where I can win one, that'd be great. Because I'm only in high school and money is, well, of course, like most high schoolers, non-existent. Again, I'm gonna keep these for the picture frame. So we got Dan Murray at Ignister, Sky Scorched Citadels, Dog Metacalamity, AI Meet You, World Soul Carbon, Screams of Branded, Zexal and Trust, ZS Arms, and a ultra rare with print lines, Garden Rosa Flora. I don't know how much this is, but it could be worth something. I don't know, I'll have to look it up. And thank you guys for watching this video. If that card comes back good, I'll get a sleeve for it, and I'll see you next time.